Yo, what's up guys, it's Mehmet there, and today I'm gonna be playing some Need for Speed Most Wanted. The last time I played this game was in Pakistan, in my cousin's house, and he has an Xbox 360, so I played it on that, and it was really fun, and now I downloaded it on my laptop, and I'm gonna be playing this game. Let's press enter and do this mission. Oh, and I've already crashed. Oh crap. Okay, so I need to hit the average thing of 110. Right now my average is 50, 9, 60 and stuff. So let's finish this race. Oh, I got the police behind me. I just got this Lexus I've been playing for a while, and as you can see my laptop is not that good. Oh no, I tapped him. No, okay, it's all good though. As you can see, that lag ain't that good. I don't like when it lags, but what can I say, I have an old laptop. Okay, let's like finish this race. And oh crap. Okay, I survived. At least I survived that one. No. What's that lag, man? Oh my gosh. There's a mosquito on my head. Okay. OMG guys. That lag. It doesn't lag like that. Like when I'm playing offline. This is offline, but like when I'm not recording. The map hasn't even loaded in. Oh crap. There's the finish. No, make it. I just freaking crashed. No. And the police guy also crashed. But I think I failed this. Oh no. I think I did it. Oh my god, I think I did it. Yes. Maybe not. I don't know. But I think now I have to skip the cops. Okay. Yep, I have to skip the cops. This Lexus is not that good. I have some other cars. My fastest car is a BAC Mono. Oh, the map. Why is it lagging so hard? It doesn't lag like that. I'm not even lying. How am I still in the reach of the police? Yo, what? Yo, okay. This lag needs to stop. I don't know why it's lagging that much, but if like it's gonna start and it's gonna jump scare me. Oh, never mind. Okay. My drifts are nice though. I used to suck at drifting. With a controller I'm really good. I'm going to see if I can get a controller. Okay. The police is gone. Let's see what I got on Easy Drive. Oh, races. Come on. Wait. I just did. Oh no. Okay. I just did this one. Downtown Run. I didn't get the stuff though. I think I should do it again. I'm gonna do it again. This game is actually really fun, guys. You need to buy this game. This game, like, it will blow your mind. It's so good. I've been playing from about 3 days now. With keyboard and mouse, it's a bit hard, but who cares? I'm gonna start playing with and I crashed on the same place again. My god. Okay. I'm gonna buy like a keyboard and mouse. Stop freaking drifting. I'm not a keyboard and mouse, sorry. I'm getting confused. I'm gonna restart. I'm gonna buy a controller and then I'm gonna play with that. It's gonna be way easier. The lag won't go, but it's gonna be easier to control and stuff. I've played this game with this controller many times, and it's fun. It's very fun. Whoa! Why is my Lexus red now? Okay, I didn't hit it this time. Okay, don't hit anything. Okay, I'm good in drifting, but my control is really bad, as you can see. I like go off-road a lot, and I hit into stuff because of the lag, and my control is not good. Oh, okay. Come on, man. I don't like this lag at all. I thought I pressed the drift button. If you don't know what controls I'm using ASD. A is for acceleration, and I'm using S for like stop. I said stop for brake, and D for drift, which is handbrake. And then the arrow keys to like move around. But what the hell? This lag, this freaking lag, yo! It's a checkpoint missed, and now my average is going down. I need my average to go up to 120. It says right like behind my head, my webcam thing. Yo, stop! This guy wants to kill me. Don't load the game. Okay, yes. The map, sorry. No, shit. My goodness, I'm so bad at this game. I think I'll have to restart again. Yeah, I'ma restart again. I know you guys don't like me like doing this thing so many times, but it's all good. I'ma make a video about it. I like this game. I'ma like keep making videos about this game because it's first of all really fun, and second of all maybe people like it. If you don't know, this is Need for Speed Most Wanted 2012. This is an old game, but for an old game, this game looks really realistic. I think it's better than Need for Speed Payback, honestly. Need for Speed Payback is nice, but I think this one is way better. Oh, and I just crashed. Don't know what I was doing. Okay, load me fast. Okay, here we go. Oh, I wish I had nitros right now. That would help a lot. I've never like won one of these like target things. And I hit another dude. This Skyline guy, man. I keep on pressing shift because shift is like NOS for my other cars. So it usually takes me like 2-3 tries to win a race because I'm bad at them. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, this is where it always lags. Yo, oh, come on. I just have to go straight. Okay. I think I'm gonna lose. I actually think I'm gonna lose. The race is about to end. In this one. I'll get to 110. Maybe. Yeah, I made it to 110. But not 120. Come on, man. I think in the next video I'm gonna show you guys like all my cars and stuff. And as you can see, I'm on the number 6 of the most wanted racers. Yo. And I skipped that. I'm gonna skip the cops, then I'm gonna end the video because yeah, I don't got no time. because I can only make videos for 15 minutes, and 10 minutes is already like a lot. Yo, and I hit a car. Why am I so bad? If you're wondering why I'm not wearing headphones, because this recorder doesn't film my record my computer's audio. I don't know why. So I think I'm gonna leave this video here, guys. This game was really fun to play, and I'ma see you guys in the next video if I make one. Bye.